Welcome to this tutorial on how to multiply fractions, specifically 1/2 by 1/9. We'll break it down step by step to ensure it's crystal clear. First, let's examine our fractions. We have 1/2, where 1 is the numerator, the top number of the fraction, and 2 is the denominator, or the bottom number. This fraction symbolizes one part out of two equal parts. Next, let's look at the second fraction, 1/9. Here, 1 is again the numerator, and 9 is the denominator. This fraction represents one part out of 9 equal parts. To multiply these fractions, we multiply the numerators together and then the denominators together. So, multiplying the numerators, 1 times 1 gives us 1. For the denominators, 2 times 9 gives us 18. Therefore, 1/2 multiplied by 1/9 equals 1/18. And that's our final result. It's straightforward, isn't it? Remember, 1/18 is already in its simplest form. You've just learned how to multiply two fractions together. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more math help. Thanks for watching.